Welcome everyone back to the channel. Today is Sunday, February 9th, 2020. I'm looking at this little structure that we had on our property. We're actually gonna, in the future, probably next week, we're gonna turn this into our pig pen. And we're also gonna build a compost spot either behind it this way or behind it this way, so that as our pigs break down mulch and other stuff, we can take that and we can turn it into compost. About to go look at some clearing that we did, see the progression. Then I'm gonna come back, take care of the chickens, talk to y'all a little bit about that. Should be getting, well, we will be getting our guinea hens next week, so there'll be 12 of those. And then we'll probably go ahead, pick up our pigs next week, or maybe the following week, depending on if we can get the pig pen built and the compost pile built in time. But those, and then after that we'll probably go ahead and get our goats, so that's going to be exciting. But yeah, it's a lovely day. It is super windy, super windy. I hope it doesn't drown out the audio. I need to get like a little microphone for this so I can hook it up to me, so audio would be good, but it is what it is. So we are currently walking through where we've been clearing. This is gorgeous. Wow, it is super nice. I'm gonna watch my footing so I don't fall down and hurt myself. Been clearing around trees with the weed eater, with the chop saw blade. So it is crazy. Look at all this stuff, guys. Got a lot to burn. It's still a little bit too wet because the stuff that we've been cutting down is still freshly green, so it's not catching very well. So hopefully, if it doesn't rain like it's supposed to all next week, we'll be able to burn it. We're still going to be planning our controlled burn either next week or the following week, because we're expected to get a bunch of rain. Look at this. That is super nice. But yeah, this whole area will have animals being able to range through it. Primarily probably goats, our goats, because they'll eat anything, and then that'll save on some more labor. Look at this. You got little tracks, little deer boys. Pretty big deer, pretty heavy. Yeah, look at it. All this is getting cleaned up. There's a lot of stuff to burn. A lot of stuff. All this is cut down. We just have to pull it out. All of this over here has been cut down. That's looking super good. I know a lot of y'all are probably tired of watching us do clearing videos, so that's why I'm gonna do like updates like this throughout our other videos. But yeah, all this stuff right here will be added to that brush pile. So now let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 or 8 brush piles on the property that we got to burn. That is crazy. Look at that, all the way over there. It is super pretty. Damn, all the way. So I'd say this amount of land right here is probably close to 5.5, 6 acres. But that is, I think that's insane. If y'all can't imagine what it looked like before, go ahead to our other videos, our very first few land clearing videos. Go rewatch those, and it'll give you some idea of what it looked like. But here's our pond. You can see our dock in the background. The dock we have to fix. So yeah, you can hear the weed eater with the chop saw blade. That's what's doing all this clearing. Like I said, it's able to cut through all this material. It looks so good. I'll get on the tractor later and I'll start pushing this over to a brush pile. Won't show it on camera because y'all have seen that. If you want to see that, just drop a comment down below and I'll do it, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to show y'all more. trying to change it up, trying to give other aspects of what we're doing. But this is super nice. Super nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these hay bales off, open up their brooder, and clean out their water holders, their water containers. I'm gonna add a little bit of wood chips to their floor, and then yeah, check their feed and all that good stuff. So it should be pretty good. It's nice and warm in there. It's unbelievably warm. The hay bales are acting like really good insulation. Chickies, my little burbs. That's so many babies. Go ahead and wash them like I did yesterday.
All I gotta say is these chickens are awesome. It's so cool just to go out there in the morning, look in their brooder and see them just running around, drinking water and eating their feed and just chirping and being full of energy. Even watching them sleep is pretty cool. So all the extra work that you have to do, like making sure that they have water and food, is totally worth it. Just like taking care of like a child, because I mean that's essentially what they are. They're children right now. So they need that caring. They need you to like invest the time with them and all the time that you put forward to them. And it's only been 2 days for us, but anyway, like putting that time forward is going to pay dividends to the end. They're gonna grow up happy. They're gonna be able to produce the way that they can, which will in turn help us, give us all the eggs that we want, all the eggs that we could ever sell people or anything like that. Just an all-around good product. You have happy animals. You have a better product. You have a better source of food. You have everything's better when your animals are happy. So that's one thing that we're going to try to work on. Make sure that our animals are healthy and happy and comfortable, and we'll just do that with all of our animals, like our pigs that we're getting soon, our guinea hens, our goats, our cows. Everything. We want to do the best that we can. Yeah, we might not know everything, but that's part of the process. You learn as you go. You develop. You hone your skills. You dial in. Anybody who starts anything isn't going to be right off the bat perfect at it or anything like that. We'll create our own systems, our own operations. There's a bunch of things that we're going to be doing with our animals that most people find kind of out of the norm. So, for instance, like with our cows, we'll do paddock grazing. So every day or every 2 days, we're going to move their paddocks a half a acre paddock at a time or a quarter acre paddock at a time and just rotate it. So every 28 days, they'll start over on a new cycle, and this cycle is going to help enrich our soil and be able to generate enough food for them per acre. So stuff like that. It's going to be against what people think is norm or is the norm or the standard. But stuff like that we're going to do. We're going to implement. We're going to hone. We're going to develop more and show y'all our journey, our process of becoming really successful at it. So I appreciate everybody staying around and subscribing to the channel. It just shows that people are interested and want to see what we're capable of doing. And that's the end goal, is just showing people that they too can do this. Like, yeah, we've done a few things here and there before, but not at this scale or to this degree, I would say. So it's super exciting. If y'all have any comments or questions or anything like that, just drop it down in the comment section, and I'll reply back as soon as I can. And I just like seeing the interaction. So I just got to say thank y'all so much. There's so many things in the future that we're going to be doing and showing and learning together. So it's going to be super exciting. Thank y'all.
There we go. Well, everyone, I just want to say thank y'all for watching the video. Today is a short little video because today's Sunday. Kind of want to take a little bit of a rest. So just really dealt with our baby chicks today. Tomorrow is Monday, February 10th. And we'll start working on a bunch of stuff. Probably working on our pig pen, so we'll have that up soon, in our compost pile. So super excited about everything. So if you liked our videos, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, go ahead and watch our other videos. And tomorrow there will be another video with my lovely face on it. But yeah, super excited about everything. Pigs, guinea pigs, goats, all that good stuff is coming. So stay tuned, guys, and thank y'all so much.